Hello everyone, this is the hat that I've been doing a knit with me in previous couple of videos that are quick and showing you how I actually knitted this hat. And here is the finished project already. You see, it's stretchy, it's nice. The pattern, as you can see, is voluminous, is absolutely terrific. It's nice, it's warm when you wear it because it's a thick texture to the knitting pattern. It takes a lot of yarn to do this particular pattern, and as you can see, at the back is also very nice. It's beautifully managed, beautifully done. At the back, the stitching, it's almost invisible. As you can see here, it's nearly invisible. Yeah, you see, you almost can't tell it's here. And this is the hidden part of the hat. The stitching is hidden here, as you can see, the fluffy tails, and I have hidden with a hook everything, so it's tightly and neatly done. And this is the pattern at the back. As you can see, it's also very nice. It might just be also a different pattern that you could do, which will reveal itself at the back of this pattern. If you were to do it on the front, this challenge, this particular pattern, it will also look very nice and beautiful. Have a look, it's also very nice. Why not? I mean, it's beautiful. It's also a thick texture to the pattern. It's very nice. I love it, absolutely love it. And the inside looks also quite nice, the rotating part of the head, and the stretchy bit turned to be quite nicely done. But I really like the hat. It's supposed to be a beret, but the hat actually looks quite nice too. I mean, yeah, it's not possibly a beret, a typical beret, because it has to be bigger, larger over your head when you wear it. But I did put this on in my videos on my main channel. I did put this hat on, and it didn't look like a beret. It looked more like a simple hat with a terrific pattern indeed. And this is a top bit, which is quite nice. And if I was to wear something like a tail or something on my head, something like that, it would be enough space for it to cover. And but also looks very nice if you have loose hair. I mean, my hair is blonde, and I think it looks very nice with this design. My hair turns out to be quite nicely done if it's loose and kind of free without being tightened at the back. Yeah, I think it did look quite nice. Why not? And the color, it's lovely. I also think, because this pattern is so nice, I also think maybe I would do something else with it, maybe a top or something for summertime or something like that. Why not? So yeah, I love it. I hope you love it too. Thank you for subscribing. Please subscribe. Love you lots. Bye.